Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Wind Kissed the Moon, chapter 13. So, here it is. Let's read the story. Dr. Xiang Yi and Tang Wangting. The two of them were still busy. They are on the venue, and Xiang Yi. Someone is fixing her hair. Well, she will be casting. That's why she need to fix her hair. Also, right now, everyone seems to be busy. All the staff are gathering together. Especially Shangi right now. Someone is attending her hair. Also, Shangi, she can see that Tang Wangting was busy right there. She was fixing and arranging the clothes that they need to use on this taping. Be careful, the fabric of the Chongshang is easy to snag. Also, don't use the right or wrong number. You'll need it for the next scene. I know, Sister Wanting. Rector said you have worked hard for all the teachers recently. We finished work early today, and the director said he would like to treat all the teachers to a hot fat. Teacher Tang has been working hard recently. When you finish your work, how about we come together? Oh, everyone seems to notice Tang Wangting present. Especially, it was the rector. Right now, Tang Wangting seems to be happy doing her work right now. Answered to the rector and said, "Okay, thank you, director." Looking at her smile, she was really smiled brightly. The other hand, on the restaurant, since all the teachers going to eat hot fat, especially Shangyi was there and also the other artists. The shrimp paste is quite delicious. You should try it. Now, Tang Wangting was sitting on the other side. I didn't expect that Shangyi and Siki have such a good relationship. Well, right now, Tang Wangting, it seems that she looks really sad. Well, is she really jealous? Shangyi is sweeter on Suki. Although I was contract with the business every day during this period, I never found the right time to ask her about photos. Right now, sorry for disturbance. Seems that everyone is busy on eating, especially right now. Tang Wangting, she looks really sad. A freshly squeezed corn juice he ordered is sold out, and I substitute it with a freshly squeezed peanut milk. Siki, it seems that there's something wrong with her. Right now, she looks really exhausted. On the other hand, please get another bottle of room temperature mineral water. The waiter said okay. Suddenly, Siki, she became worried. Everyone seems to be busy, keeping themselves eating. Mostly, all of them are not talking each other. Oh, she have a peanut allergy. Well, no wonder. Shangwi right now seems to be curious about Siki. Turns out the girl, she's having a peanut allergy. Whether your method will work or not, you will still greeted me. You first joined the team, but now you treat me as a transparent person. The oil ideas is here, are not wiped out. Shangyi, what is she planning about? Why suddenly she become close to Siki? Right now, she was really acting strange. In front of everyone, the two of them is acting sweet. What are you hurrying about? Where can I get hooked as soon as swing the route? Right now, Shangyi was asking Siki, but the two of them seems to be fine. On the other hand, the director seems to liking Tang Wangting, and right now, the director seems to be focusing on Tang Wangting. Don't be restrained, Miss Tang. Eat more. What kind of skins you are? Well, right now, she was eating. Also, your drink is ready. Fresh squid peanut milk should be drink but it's sad. The director said Teacher Tang is so beautiful. Are you in love? Oh, it turns out the director's really fall in love with her. That's why he is asking her so much. Right now, Tang Wang Ting said sorry. Now she was really coughing hard. How to choke, drink water smoothly, the colleague said to her. Well, she was really surprised at the action of the director, and also it's like she really wants her. Right now, Tang Wang Ting answered no, and she was coughing again. There's no need. Oh, it turns out doesn't realize that right now Shang Yi is the one who's giving her water. Now she was looking at her and grabbed it. After drinking, she wanted to return it back. Shang Yi said to her, "There's no need." He gave the glass of water to her. Well, Shang Yi suddenly realized someone is really liking Tang Wang Ting. That's why maybe she got really jealous. Brother Su, take it. Blind, where can I trouble you? I'll do it myself. She can be relied on. Suddenly, right now, the director, he fall glass of water on the floor. Sorry. I thought that you held it off. It's okay. I'll go out and deal with it first. Oh, Shang Yi, she was really great at acting. Since she noticed that the director is really close to Tang Wang Ting, splash water really meant for the director. So he can leave away Tang Wang Ting and don't bother her so much. I will go out and make a phone call. Right now, Tang Wang Ting noticed that it was really coincident. Right now, Siki, she grabbed a bottle of water. She is going outside. Also, another thing is, this girl is the lover of Siki. So, why she suddenly ran away from her? Well, it seems that Wang Ting, it is not sinking into her. Right now, she must really puzzled on what's happening and what's the situation. Especially right now, she is new in the circle. Well, let's see what will happen next. Shang Yi, now she's being sweet over Tang Wang Ting, and we can wait to see her more. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support this, you can support me by joining the membership. You can click the join membership, or you can directly support me on Ko-Fi. Thank you. Bye.